We reached a point last year where, just like so many agencies and localization departments, we were under a lot of pressure to make cost savings, and our clients were under pressure. They had really important business challenges to deal with. So we were having to change how we were doing things really, really fast. And at the same time, there was this out of nowhere real sudden pressure to be much faster at the same time. So suddenly, a lot of senior people were involved in discussions that they would never have been involved in before. And we ran an RFP to, go through a thorough process. And the goal was really not just to, say we're using AI in our localization processes. We already were. It was to, from an internal point of view, make quite a difference in how we were running our operations, to consolidate all of our localization processes onto one platform. So there are a lot of different teams to consult with. And we manage a lot of content. From producing thousands of PDPs a month for our retail clients to much more creative content. So the processes and workflows are very, very different. And as a result of that, we've had different tools and workflows. But this was part of the change. It was harmonizing and consolidating all of that, and as well as the workflows, the reporting, the way we captured data. So there was a lot involved in assessing the tools and choosing a partner. And of course, like the Gen AI, like the way that the AI was integrated into TMS systems we've been using for years was a key point there too. So yeah, what primarily made us choose BWX was just how powerful and smart it is in the process of adapting creative content. That was the number one reason. At the time of the RFP, the platforms that we involved in the process had actually matured a lot, or advanced quite a lot in terms of their AI capabilities. But that hadn't changed. Like BWX was still standing out in terms of its creative capabilities. And it's that context sensitivity function that you mentioned and the unified feed that gives the linguist full control of what the AI is doing. And BWX is very smart at doing that. It's clearly a platform that's been designed with the role of the linguist at the core of the process. And our writers are core to our process as well in transcreation and when adapting creative content. And I'm not just saying that to sort of protect the world of the linguist, but AI really can't replace the creativity of the work the linguists are doing and the craftsmanship that's involved. It can help us be more productive. It can help the linguists be more productive in some workflows more than others, but that creative part won't never be replaced. So then in terms of productivity as well, the semantic searches and the instant machine learning, it was all adding to just that linguist process. So yeah, it was really the translation editor. So what I had seen from the very start was still standing out through that RFP process. And all of the other platforms are extremely smart and very powerful in other ways, but specifically for our use case at Jellyfish and the different content types and workflows, we believe we made the best choice for our needs.